2 divided by 3. Here 3 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 3. 3 times 0, 0, 3 times 1, 3, 3 times 2, 6, 3 times 3, 9. To find out the multiplication table of 3, just add 3 with the previous step. 0 plus 3, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 plus 3, 12, 12 plus 3, 15. This process will continue. 3 goes into 2. How many times? 0 times, as our current dividend 2 is less than 3. So 0 times 3, 0 times 3, that gives you 0. Subtract, you are getting 2. To continue this process, take here decimal, then add zeros. That is, we are converting this whole number into decimal. Bring down the first 0, but before the 0 there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now 3 goes into 20 how many times? 7 times 21, which is greater, so we need to stop here 6 times. Right, 6 times 3, 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. Look, after subtracting we are getting a number which is less than divisor 3. This will be the right procedure. Now to continue this process, take here, bring down the mod 0. So 3 goes into 20 again 6 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2, bring down mod 0. 3 goes into 26 times. 6 times 3, 18. Subtract 2. So already we have gotten 3 digit after decimal, so you can place here 3 dot. So our answer is 0.666 dot dot dot, or you can place here bar because this 6 is repeating. So 0.06 bar is our answer.